In this video we are going to see how to install a Epaas 2003 middleware. So, let's start the video. Firstly, you have to open a Chrome browser and search www.hyperpki.com/epaas_v2_update. Select and download by clicking on hyperPKI_Epaas 2003_setup_update.zip from the download links given there. Now you can see that the file is in process of downloading. After the download is completed, open the installed file by first clicking on Show in Folder. For installing setup file, first you have to extract the downloaded zip file. For that, right-click on Downloaded zip file and click on Extract All. Then click on Extract. Now, as you can see that it is in the process of extracting. Now the process of extracting has been completed. Now you have to install the setup file. So, for that you have to double-click, or right-click and click on Install. After this, select the language and click on OK, then click on Next, followed by Next. Then select Private CSP type and click on Install. Now as you can see that it is in the process of installing. And it has been installed successfully. So, click on Finish to close setup. Now you can see that Epaas 2003 middleware is ready to open. So, for that you just have to click on it. Now you can see the interface of the Epaas 2003 middleware. Thank you for watching our video.